Hi, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Moto E22 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, just you should hold the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more applications. Just hold and drag it after that. If you want to rename the folder, you should click here to edit name and enter the new one. For example, the apps. Click to OK, and that's it. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, or just to create a new screen, we should just hold it and then just drag it. Just to remove one from the apps from here, you should hold and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, you should just hold it and then drag it here to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. By the same way, we can also remove all of the applications in one click with the folder. Just hold and drag it here to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.